Good morning, student. Student, topic is linear equation in two variables. Variables. There is a question. It is a square upon x minus b square upon y equal to 0 and a square b upon x plus b square a upon y equal to a plus b. Here x is not equal to 0 and y is not equal to 0. Solve for x and y. So to solve the value of x and y, we will write the equation a square upon x minus b square upon y equal to 0. Let it is equation 1. Second is a square b upon x plus b square a upon y equal to a plus b. It is equation second. To make the coefficient of either y or x equal, we will multiply first equation by a. Then the coefficient of 1 upon y will be b square into a, and here is also b square upon a, so it is cancelled out. And we will get a cube upon x plus a square b upon x equal to a plus b. 1 upon x and a square common, then it is a plus b equal to a plus b. Here a plus b is cancelled out. Then we will get x equal to a square. Now putting the value of x square in equation 1, putting x equal to a square in equation 1, we get a square upon a square minus b square upon y equal to 0 is cancelled. 1 equal to b square upon y. From this we will get y equal to b square. This is y equal to b square and x equal to a square. If we put value of a and b in equation 1, we will get result 0. Or in equation second, we will get there is b plus a equal to a plus b. To verify the answer, it is a square into b upon a square plus b square into a upon b. From square is cancelled, this cancelled, it is b plus a equal to a plus b. Hence, result is correct. Student, now see the solution. It is 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y equal to 4. 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y equal to minus 2. Solve for x and y. We will multiply first equation by 3 and second equation by 2. Then subtract. It is 30, this is also 30, is cancelled out, there is a plus, is plus. So, it is 6 upon x minus y plus 10 upon x minus y is equal to 12 plus 4. Or it is 16 upon x minus y equal to 16. From this 16 cancel, we will get x minus y equal to 1. Let it is equation 1. Now, putting x minus y equal to 1 in equation 1, therefore, 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon 1 equal to 4. 10 upon x plus y equal to 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. It is 2 5 ja. From this, we will get x plus y equal to 5. Let it is equation 2. Now, adding equation 1 and 2, we will get 2x equal to 6 and x equal to 3. Putting x equal to 3 in 1, so 3 plus y equal to 5, then y equal to 2. So x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. To verify the answer, putting the value x and y here, we can check this answer. It is 10 upon x is 2, x is 3, y is 2, so it is 5, plus 2 upon 3 minus 2 is 4, it is 2, it is 1, so 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 equal to 4, and result is verified. Student, now next question is solve the pair of linear equation for x and y. Here 141x plus 93y equal to 189. 93x plus 141y equal to 45. Student, see the coefficient of here x and y, that is same as this side. So we will add them. Solution. On adding, we will get 3 plus 1 4, it is 3, it is 243 x plus 243 y equal to, there is 4, 12 plus 3, 3, it is also 243, it is 4, 3, 2, it is 234. Now 234 common, then x plus y equal to 234. Now 234 is cancelled out, so x plus y equal to 1. Let it is equation 1. Now we subtract these two equations. If we let it is equation 1, it is 2, and this is equation 3. Now subtracting 1 and 2. After subtracting, we will get, that is 8. 11 minus 3 is 8. Then there is 12. 12 minus 9, 3. 38x minus 38y is equal to, this side it is 4. Then that is 48. There is 8. Then 13 minus 9 is 4. 48x minus 48y equal to, that is 4. This side is 4 and 1. 48 common. X minus y is 144. Then x minus y is 144 upon 48. It is 3 ja. So x minus y equal to 3. It is equation 4. Now adding 3 and 4. So 2x equal to 4 and x equal to 2. Putting x equal to 2 in equation 1, we will get 2 minus y equal to 3, minus y equal to 1, and y equal to minus 1. So values of x and y is x equal to 2 and y equal to -1. To check the answer, we can put the value here. Then verify the result. To verify the answer, it is 282 minus 93. This is difference. There is 9. Then 17 minus 9 is 1. This is equal to 189. Also here. So result is correct.